Welcome to our YouTube short on the history of Python, one of the world's most popular programming languages. Python was conceived in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum at Centrum Wiskunde en Informatica, CWI, in the Netherlands. The name, Python, doesn't come from the snake, but from a British comedy series from the 70s called Monty Python's Flying Circus, which Guido was a fan of. Python's growth has been phenomenal, especially in recent years. It's loved for its simplicity and readability, making it a favorite for beginners and experts alike. Python is versatile. It's used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. Big names like Google, NASA, and Netflix use Python. That's a quick look at the history of Python. Stay tuned for more tech shorts.